Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a volume indicator on Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your trading interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options for customizing your charts and workspace. At the top of the screen, click on Insert. This menu gives you access to various tools and features that you can add to your charts, including different types of indicators that help you analyze market movements and trading volume. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Indicators. This will open up a comprehensive list of all the technical indicators available in Metatrader 5, organized into different categories based on their function and purpose in trading analysis. Next, click on Volumes from the list of indicator categories. This specific indicator is essential for traders who want to monitor trading activity and understand the strength behind price movements by visualizing the volume of trades executed. Now you'll see a settings window appear where you can customize how the volume indicator looks on your chart. On Value Up, click the drop-down menu and choose a color that represents increasing volume. This color will be displayed when trading volume is rising, making it easier to spot bullish activity at a glance. Then on Value Down, click the drop-down and choose a different color. This color will represent decreasing volume, helping you quickly identify periods of lower trading activity or bearish sentiment. Choosing contrasting colors makes it much easier to read the indicator. Next, under the volume section, you'll see an option to choose between tick or reel. The tick option measures every price change regardless of volume, while reel shows actual traded volume if your broker provides this data. Select the option that best fits your trading strategy and the type of volume data you want to analyze. Once you've customized all your settings and selected your preferred colors and volume type, click OK to apply the volume indicator to your chart. The indicator will now appear at the bottom of your chart, displaying volume bars in the colors you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added a volume indicator to your Metatrader 5 chart, giving you better insight into market activity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.